Paymaya account tagged as duplicate account. What to do? I'm going to tell you what to do if your Paymaya account is tagged as a duplicate. First, check if you have multiple accounts registered under the same personal details. Paymaya only allows one account per user. So if you created another one, it may have triggered that duplicate flag. To fix this, contact Paymaya customer support by going to the Help Center on the Paymaya app or just email them at support@paymaya.com. Provide your registered mobile number, full name, and a valid ID to verify your identity. You can also reach out via Paymaya's official Facebook or hotline for faster assistance. If your account was mistakenly flagged, Paymaya will review it and reactivate it for you.